An interesting story for children. The 5 Gold Coins. Written by Mukhtar Ahmad. The 5 Gold Coins. Once, in a village, there lived a young woodcutter named Adnan with his mother. They were very poor. Every day, Adnan would go into the forest to chop wood, but he couldn't sell the wood in his village because people gathered their own. So, he sold it in nearby towns. Adnan's mother grew vegetables and raised chickens and ducks. She sold their eggs to the villagers and traded vegetables for milk with their neighbors. This was how they lived. Next to their house lived Adnan's aunt. She was married to a rich man, and they had a kind daughter named Meena. Meena often helped Adnan's mother with chores. Adnan liked Meena, and she liked him too. But when Adnan's mother asked if Meena could marry him, Meena's father said no. He thought Adnan was too poor to care for her, which made both Adnan and Meena very sad. One day, while Adnan was in the forest, he saw a small dwarf by the river. The dwarf's name was Goshi. Adnan offered him some food, but Goshi was sad. He told Adnan that cutting down trees was harmful because they give shade and homes to birds. Adnan felt bad but explained that chopping wood was his only way to make money. Goshi said he had a problem too. He wanted to marry a girl named Banki, but her father wouldn't agree because Goshi was poor. Adnan and Goshi decided to help each other. Goshi showed Adnan 5 gold coins Banki had given him before he left home. Adnan suggested they sell the coins to start a business. They sold the coins, bought a cart, and began collecting fruits and grass from the forest. They sold the fruits in the market and the grass as food for animals. Soon, their business became successful. Adnan was able to fix his house and buy a cow. He became rich enough to marry Meena, and her father finally agreed. After their wedding, Meena suggested that they help Goshi marry Banki. They traveled to Goshi's village, brought gifts, and convinced Banki's father to let them marry. After Goshi and Banki's wedding, Goshi gave the 5 gold coins back to Banki, thanking her for helping him start his business. Banki tried to refuse, but Goshi insisted, and they all lived happily ever after.